As y'all know, this is our second in real life stream. Is stream sniping in real life allowed? I mean, I can't really stop you. This one's like 1,200. L Ikea. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This is not hitting. Yo, I'm kind of hungry though. I'll probably eat at their food place. I actually never seen the food place that they have here. Available now in Swedish restaurants. Mac and cheese. It's low-key a scam. Breakfast $2. Oh, never mind. Let's see what they have. Oh, that doesn't even look real. What is that? You gotta get the Ikea meatballs. They're bussin'. I don't eat pork. Wait. Is Ikea Swedish? Because why do they have the flag here? This is a Swedish flag, right? Or is this Russia? Is this Russia? Oh, it's Russia? Okay. What is that? Is that? Is that salmon? It's $1? $1.99. Nah, there's no way that's $1, bro. I'm not trusting that. That can't be real food. Have you tried their meatballs before? Huh? Have you tried their meatballs before?
No.
What are you getting?
The meatballs, I guess.
Try the meatballs? Okay, we're gonna try the meatballs. Hopefully it's beef.
They're beef and pork.
Beef and pork?
Yeah.
Beef and pork meatballs. Damn. Thank you for saving me. There's plant balls? Bro, who's gonna wanna eat plant balls? Okay, chat, we can either try salmon fillet or a garlic lemon cod. That's what we can try. Get pizza? No, I'm not getting vegan, bro. I'm not getting vegan. I'm not getting vegan. How you doing? Which one do you recommend? The cod or the salmon fillet? Both. Both? Okay. Can I just get both? Because I guess I can't eat the meatballs. There's pork in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can have the plant balls.
The plant ones?
Yeah.
Is it good?
You want to try one?
Can I try one?
Yeah, it's good. It's beef protein based.
It's kind of very good.
Okay, thank you. I'll just go with the salmon and the garlic lemon, yeah. That shit tasted weird, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Bro just ate dirt. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I give it to vegans, bro. I don't know how they do that. All right, let's be careful. Let's not drop anything. This feels like cafeteria. Oh, shit. Okay. Can I take one of these? Okay, I don't know if this don't look good, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this does not look good. I'm gonna be honest. Let's go ahead and try this real quick before we leave. All right, bro, this doesn't, I'm gonna be honest, this does not look good. I don't know what Sweden got going on, but this don't look like it got no seasoning. This is orange. This looks like Dr. Seuss, you know, green eggs on ham, but this is like orange fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Oh, fuck, should I? I'm gonna pray, bro. That don't look appetizing? No, it does not, bro. It does not. Fuck. Please rest this food. Please don't kill me. USA. W prayer. God, please bless me over this food, bro. Okay, which one should I try? That one? Bro, that's scary, bro. That ain't fish, bro. Ugh. Excuse me. This is real fish, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bro, this is Nemo. That's the universe not even want me to eat this. It flopped out of his own fork. Bro's hesitating. All right. We got this. Trying Sweden food for the first time. Okay, what's the orange shit though? What's the orange shit? Okay, let me try something else. Let me try something else. I need salt. I need salt, bro. I need salt. It has no flavor, bro. This is straight off the farm. Okay, all right. I need freaking salt for this. All right, there we go. This will be better. Pepper? Such a picky eater? No, I'm not. I'm not. I just want to make sure my shit has flavor. Hospital food? I can see that. I can see that. Come on, come out. That's sugar? No, it's not. It's salt. How much salt you adding? I'm only adding a little bit. Calm down. It's only like a little bit. Okay. This is good. Okay. Nigga said assault with a side of fish. Okay, look, this is good. That's it. Why would I be capping? If I was capping, I would have stopped eating this. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. This is the main. This looks better. Is this mashed potatoes? Okay, this is mashed potatoes. This is mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes, cod, and peas. Okay. Okay. No flavor, but I'll add some more salt. No flavor again, but I'll just add salt. Luis is starving. No, Luis already ate before we started. All right. Oh my God. That's it. That's it, bro. That's it. Nigga, slow down. What are you talking about, bro? I'm eating slow. Yep, that's it. Calm down, bro. It's not going nowhere. It's going in my stomach. That is it. I don't know what that is, but this is it. Oh shit, are y'all still fasting? I feel like an L man. I swear I was not rubbing it in y'all face. I forgot, bro. Y'all are fasting, bro. Shout out to all my people that's doing Ramadan right now. I'm so sorry. You know what? I'm not gonna finish the rest. I'm not gonna finish the rest because I'm respectful for you guys, bro. I'm making y'all hungry. My fault. L mans, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm not gonna eat no more. It's Ramadan. My fault, bro. That's like not respectful. Like I can't have y'all watching me eat in this Ramadan. Nah, wasting food is crazy, bro. No, I'm trying to be respectful. Cause if I found out it was Ramadan and I kept eating, bro, that's fucked up. That's literally fucked up. I could have ate that. No, you couldn't, bro. It's Ramadan, nigga. We don't eat. Wait till the sun's down. We got 1 more hour at least. Damn, I wish y'all told me that, bro. I wish y'all told me that. I did not know it was Ramadan, bro. Could have closed your cam, bro. It's still like the principle, you know what I mean?